In this video, you will learn how to use Ichimoku Cloud Indicator. Ichimoku Cloud Indicator is also known as Ichimoku Kinko Hyo. Okay, and I'm going to show you how you can use this indicator in the simplest possible way. So watch this video till the end so that you can use this indicator right after watching this video, and you can use it in any platform that you want, no matter if you want to trade forex or if you want to trade binary options. If you can easily use this indicator for that purpose. So without doing any delay, let's get started. So now the thing that you are seeing at here is called Ichimoku Cloud Indicator. Okay, so now let me show you. Here are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 lines, right? Now what you need to understand is this is one line. Okay, these two are also one part. Okay, and this is cloud. Okay, so you can think it in a way like these are three things. Okay, 1, 2, and 3. So now let's understand what this line does to help you. Okay, so let's click on this pencil icon and remove all other lines except this one. So what this line does is it will help you to understand how strong the trend is. For example, if this line is far from this current market, then that means there is a strong trend. Okay, either it is uptrend or downtrend. It will go far away from the current price. And here you can see these are the place where trend is not so strong. Okay, it is in a range bound, so it is neither going up nor coming down. Okay, in that cases you can see this kind of pattern. Now let's talk about other line like this cloud. Now these are the cloud. Okay, so now what this cloud does to help you is whenever the market is above this cloud, okay, and you should only take trade by clicking on higher if you are trading binary options, or if you are trading forex then you should only buy. Okay, whenever the market is above this cloud, and whenever the market is below this cloud then you should only trade by clicking on lower if you are trading binary options, or you should only sell if you are trading forex. Now let's talk about another line. I hope this explanation is becoming simple for you to understand. Okay, so now we have these two lines, this red and yellow line. Now these are the line which helps you to give the entry point. Okay, it will show you the entry point from where you can exactly make the trade. Now watch it very carefully. So whenever there is an uptrend, this yellow line is going to be above this red line. Okay, and you need to find the point wherever this line is doing crossover. So firstly you need to understand this line should be far from the current price. Okay, it should be far from the current price, and this market should be above from this cloud. Okay, that is going to show us the proper trending uptrend. Okay, and whenever the crossover happens, okay, whenever this yellow line crosses this red line and goes above, that is the exact point where you need to make trade by clicking on higher if you are trading binary options, and if you are trading forex then you need to buy at that point. Okay, so but you can see here there is no any crossover, and what happens is this in this type of market, okay, where you can see it is extremely trending, you will not find this kind of crossover most often. Okay, you will not find this kind of crossover wherever you want to search for this crossover, but you will not find. And in that case what you need to do is whenever this yellow and red line is coming extremely close, okay, extremely close, and you can make trade by clicking on higher or buy at this point also. Okay, but it is most safe to make buy or click on higher whenever this line is coming closer and it starts to separate, furthermore separate. Okay, and at that point you can make trade by clicking on higher, or you can buy if you are trading forex. Okay, and same thing is about the downtrend. So let's see in another context. Let's go here. You can see you need to ignore this type of market, okay, while using Ichimoku cloud. You can completely ignore this kind of market. And here you can see there is a uh, downtrend, but it is not so much strong. At here you can see this line is not more far, so it's your choice. You can take risk and make trade at this point also, but I would suggest you to stay away from this kind of market. So let's find the appropriate. Here you can see one appropriate. It is showing that this line is far from this current price, right? And it is showing strong uptrend, and market is above this cloud, okay? So now whenever this red and yellow line comes together, okay, then you can start to make trade by clicking on higher or buy, or what you can do is you can wait for a little bit time, okay, and then whenever this yellow and red line starts to separate from each other, then you can start to make trade by clicking on higher or buy at that point. Now you need to understand, whenever there is an uptrend, yellow line is going to be above the red line, but whenever it is in the downtrend, then red line is going to be above the yellow line, okay? So you need to find the entry point according to that. I hope this explanation was helpful for you, and you can easily start to use Ichimoku Cloud Indicator. And if you are a forex trader and if you want to start to trade binary options, then I will give a special link in the description of this YouTube video. You can click on it and create your account on pocket option in order to trade binary options, and you will be eligible to get huge amount of deposit bonus, okay, first time deposit bonus. Not only that much, if you keep on depositing in this platform, then you will start to receive more bonuses each time you deposit inside this platform. Take care now. I'll see you in my another video. Bye bye.